What's up guys, Charles here. NZXT is going large with its newest Kraken series CPU cooler. Until now, the company's largest radiator size was 360 millimeters. Now, NZXT has a 420 millimeter liquid cooler, the Kraken Elite 420 RGB. With this enlarged liquid cooler comes the promise of lower thermals. This is thanks to this cooler's larger surface area and larger 140 millimeter fans. Like other Kraken Elite series coolers, this new heatsink comes with NZXT's Core series fans, which integrate several fans into a single frame to deliver better system aesthetics. NZXT's F420 RGB Core fan sets are effectively three 140mm fans within a single unified frame. This fan set costs $89.99, pricing it similarly to a set of three premium RGB fans. NZXT's Kraken Elite 420 ships with one of these fan sets in the box. The benefits of NZXT's RGB Core fan sets are obvious. Their unified frames are aesthetically pleasing. Furthermore, they simply cable management by using a single connector to power and illuminate three fans. Each corner of the fan set is rubberized to minimize noise, and each fan features an optimized blade design to deliver strong cooling characteristics at low noise levels. The Kraken Elite 420 RGB is an enlarged version of NZXT's 2024 series of Kraken Elite series coolers. These coolers feature a custom NZXT turbine pump and a larger LCD than NZXT's older Kraken series CPU coolers. NZXT's new 420mm model is simply an enlarged version of NZXT's 2024 Kraken Elite series, which is a good thing. The 2024 Kraken Elite series is solid, and adding a 420mm option is great news for users of large PC cases. At launch, NZXT's new Elite 420 RGB CPU liquid cooler will be available for $334.99 in the US. This makes the 420mm version of this cooler $15 more expensive than its 360mm counterpart. That's a small increase in price given the 420mm version's increase in size. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.